Okay, so today is the beginning of day 38, and we're just still wrapping up small things here and there. It's amazing how the little things take time, but they just do. We did get the dishwasher installed, and a couple quick notes. If you remember the old dishwasher, this drawer would hit it and you couldn't open it, so we ordered one without a handle sticking out. So when you're ordering dishwashers and looking at that, keep those type of things in mind. Second is, when you connect the dishwasher drain line to the garbage disposal, when you install the garbage disposal, they have a little knockout plug that you need to knock out if you're going to connect the dishwasher. If you're not going to connect the dishwasher, you leave the plug in so it doesn't spray water all over the place. Well, the previous owner had a dishwasher installed, had it connected, but when we tested the dishwasher yesterday, it wasn't draining. I pulled the drain. We used the existing drain line. There was no reason to use a new one, so I pulled it off of the disposal, and the plug was still in. So whatever dishwasher they were using before was not functioning because it could not drain because that plug was in place. So I hammered the plug out, connected it back up, and tested it. It worked fine. It's another reason that if you install an appliance, you do need to test. The other things we've been working on is just little things like, the tiles here that, I don't know if I showed that before, but we had some tiles missing there that didn't match. So we installed those. I got to touch up the wall, but the tiles are now in. Just little things, touching up little spots all over the place. Wherever we see stuff that we missed. Here there were some dings on the door that we filled that, we'll touch up paint. Wherever we can see where we've had an issue, looks like I got some ants. Got to do something about that. Anyways, we also were caulking. We spent a lot of time caulking, but we recaulked this tub. As you can see, it's fully recaulked. We cleaned it the other day, but it is recaulked. We took that mirror, that needs to be rehung, but I turned it upside down because there was some damage on top, but it'll be hidden by the light. No reason to replace a mirror for a little bit of frame damage. We did replace that piece of glass. I don't know if you realized in a recent, previous video, but that glass is broken. We did have that replaced. And that's really about it. We're still working on this fine trim kit, but we did get the toilet reinstalled. It is functioning. We have new toilet seats coming. We did clean, I don't know if you recall seeing this. We haven't caulked this yet, but we have spent a lot of time having our people clean this thing because there was mold and stuff everywhere. So we have new trim coming to match the new shiny shower head, which should be here in a few days, and that'll be reinstalled. But I think today or tomorrow they will be caulking that tub or that shower. The other thing that we were working on is actually this tub. I'll point that out just so you get this. So as you can see, there's a little bit of rust stains there. We're trying not to have to get this tub refinished. So we're going to take some lime away, this fine stuff, and we're going to use it with a scrub pad to try to get rid of those stains, because that's just rust stains, and lime away generally eats rust. It's a mild acid, and if we can get it off, we won't have to pay to refinish this tub, and if we can't, well, we will be refinishing it. We're also going to look at replacing this piece. I hate replacing those because this one actually functions. When you lift it, it does turn off the drain. Many of them don't function, and once you take them apart, they have a tendency of breaking, and it just becomes a pain. But frankly, it's so fugly, I don't think we have a choice. We're going to have to futz with that and get it replaced, even though I don't want to have that done. Well, that's it. So we're going to continue doing little things. Like the bottom of that door was damaged, so we filled it in, and it'll be repainted. Just little things that we miss or that didn't get done previously is what we're working on. So whatever needs to be done, we're still just buttoning up all the small little things. But it's the small things that add up, right? When somebody comes into a house and you're trying to sell it for top dollar, if they look at it and look at poor workmanship, they're going to think everything's poor workmanship, even though it's just a few items. So if you can, try to do good workmanship. By the way, if you notice there, I have brown paper towels, because one of the things we do is we also check for leaks. And the best way to check for leaks is put some paper towels there and see if it drips and changes color. And the brown ones show colors a lot better than the plain white. Anyways, that's it for today. We're going to work on the rest of the stuff and hopefully start landscaping either today or tomorrow.